7 money mistakes older Americans wish they could undo. Not starting to save early enough. Many regret delaying savings, missing out on compound growth from early contributions, making it much harder to catch up later. Cashing out retirement funds too soon. Early retirement withdrawals incur penalties and diminished growth, losing potential returns and compromising long-term financial security. Relying too heavily on Social Security. Over-reliance on Social Security leaves retirees underfunded, facing tight budgets and unable to cover rising expenses without additional savings. Ignoring healthcare and long-term costs. Failing to plan for rising healthcare and long-term care costs drains savings, so secure insurance, emergency funds, and advanced planning. Living beyond their means for too long. Overspending on homes, cars, and luxuries added debt, depleted savings, and left individuals unprepared for sudden employment or health changes. Not understanding or prioritizing investments. Avoiding investments in favor of low-yield savings accounts costs decades of market gains. Informed, diversified investing builds greater long-term wealth. Delaying estate planning and will creation. Delaying wills and estate plans causes legal disputes and stress. Early, regularly reviewed documents ensure asset protection and family harmony.